Hey everyone! In this quick ClickUp guide, I'm going to walk you through how to save a view. So you can keep your filters, sorting, and layout exactly the way you want. It's super helpful if you switch between different setups all the time. So let's get into it. So first, open ClickUp and head into the space folder or list where you want this custom view saved. It can be any level, as long as you're in the area where you want the layout to stay. Now set things up the way you like. Switch between list, board, table, calendar, whatever makes the most sense. Then adjust your filters, sort options, grouping, and columns. Take a moment to tweak everything because this is the layout ClickUp will remember. Once your setup looks right, look toward the top right of the view bar. You should see a button that says Save View. Go ahead and click that. If it's your first time, it might say Save or Save Layout. Same idea. Now you'll get a little menu asking whether you want the view saved for just yourself or for everyone on the workspace. If you're collaborating with a team, saving it for everyone can keep things consistent, but yeah, pick whatever works for you. You'll also see a field where you can type in a name. Give it something simple so you can recognize it later, something like my filtered tasks or team board layout. And now just hit save. ClickUp will lock in that layout, and anytime you come back to this location, you can switch to your saved view without rebuilding all the filters and sorting from scratch. It saves so much time, especially if you've got a lot going on. And that's how to save a view in ClickUp. Super simple, and yeah, really handy once you start organizing your workspace. Thanks for watching.